If you don't know me, my name is Blue. Welcome to Glitter Girls Club. We're glad to have you. So before I get into the DIY, I just wanted to say thank you for all of you. My video has been going on for quite some time, and I'm really thankful for all of the people who have stuck with me from the beginning to the end, and even the people who have just joined in and liked my videos. I hope you guys still like my videos because I work really hard on them, and I know my uploading schedule is really weird. My dad lives away, so I'm really traveling back and forth from Texas to California a lot. So, sorry, my uploading schedule is like wonky sometimes, but I really just want to thank you guys so much. I really love making the videos for you guys. It's really fun, and I'm glad for those of you who like them. It makes me really happy. So on that note, let's get into the video. It's that time of year again, fall, pumpkins, it's almost the holidays. This is really amazing. So let's get into some fall festive wear. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sparkly barrette for your hair. So let's get started. You will need some threads. I got this cool sparkly thread. It has like shiny bits in it. It's really cool. Barrettes. Cardboard. I cut it into this cool little like C shape because it's going to help us with the pom-poms later. And you'll also need hot glue. I feel like I already said that. So the first step is to make pom-poms. There's lots of different techniques you can use to make pom-poms. You can check out my old videos if you want a special technique or something, but today I'm just going to use the cardboard technique. So just get a fun shape like this, wrap the string around, and then tie it like a bow in the middle. I'll show you guys. Sounds confusing when I say it. Now just do this for 2 more colors. Time to glue them onto the barrette. So this is what it looks like, super fall and festive. You can go around with your fall spirit and everyone can adore your little barrette, and you can be like, I made it myself, it's a Glitter Girls Club. That's the end of the video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I also wanted to say that I'm not going to be here next week because I'm going to be visiting my dad for Thanksgiving. I hope all of you have a nice Thanksgiving and a nice fall season, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!